Did you know your digital behavior also has an impact on the environment? You might imagine online data being something incorporeal, stored somewhere in digital clouds. In reality, online data travel via physical cables in the ground and oceans and are stored in big data centers which consume a large amount of energy. Sending an email and storing files on the cloud requires energy. 1 year of just mail traffic and storage from UG students and staff members is equivalent to the energy use of 4,500 households.
What can you do? Delete emails and documents when you no longer need them. Unsubscribe to newsletters you are not reading anyway. Be more cautious about what you keep in the cloud. Not everything needs to be accessible online. Join our CleanUp cafes or discover more do-it-yourself tips during our Digital Cleanup Week.